In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll understand how to record a vendor bill properly so your payables are accurate and ready when it's time to send payment. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company. From your dashboard, look toward the top for the Create button. Depending on your version, it may show as New or a plus icon. Open that menu and choose Bill. This is the form you'll use anytime you receive an invoice from a vendor and you plan to pay it later, not immediately. With the bill form open, start by selecting the vendor. If the vendor already exists, pick it from the list. If not, you can add them on the fly with just a name and any details you know. Next, check the bill date and terms. Terms determine the due date automatically. Net 30, for example, sets the due date 30 days from the bill date. If your vendor provided an invoice number, enter it in the Bill No field so you can search and avoid duplicates. If you use classes or locations, add those now to keep reporting clean. Now choose where to code the bill. You can use category details to post directly to expense accounts, like utilities, office supplies, or subcontractors, or switch to item details if you track products and services from your products and services list. Add a clear description, the amount, quantity if relevant, and select the correct tax setting if sales tax applies to purchases in your region. If the cost is for a specific customer project and you plan to bill it back, mark it as billable and choose the customer, otherwise leave it unmarked. If the bill covers multiple purposes, split it across several lines and accounts. Use the memo field to note anything you or your bookkeeper will need later, such as the service period or approval reference. To keep your records audit ready, attach a copy of the vendor's invoice by dragging it into the attachments area. QuickBooks stores it with the bill, making it easy to find and verify. When everything looks correct, choose Save. You can use Save and Close to return to your dashboard or Save and New if you have another bill to enter. Saving posts the amount to accounts payable and adds it to the vendor's balance. You'll see this bill in your payables list, ready for payment when cash flow and due dates line up. That's it. You've recorded a bill in QuickBooks Online accurately and completely, with supporting details and documents so paying and reconciling later will be smooth and error-free.